Folding Oriental rug for shipping. Take a look. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face the ceiling. This is very important so the folding of the rug is not going to leave any creasing or bending. Do not use tape on the rug. Put it in a big garbage bag, the heavy duty. Put it in 2 of them and put the duct tape, any type of good tape around the plastic bag. Measure the package and text us the measurement with your full information, email, phone number, and your address, and we will email you the UPS or FedEx label to your computer. If you cannot deliver the package to UPS store, we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick up the package. The minute that we receive your package, we notified you right away, and even we will send you pictures how we clean your rug. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing no trace of urine odor by cleaning and removing the urine odor using the Dead Sea Cleaner.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.